Hi, today I'm going to show you how to quickly make a export orders to CSV or XLSX flow so you can send them to your warehouse or a supplier or somebody that fulfills your orders from Commerce 7. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to log into Commerce 7. On the left, we're going to click Apps and Extensions, click Apps. I'm going to search for EasyCSV. I'm going to click on the listing. I'm going to click Install App. If you already have went to easycsv.io and made an account, you can put in that email address that you created that account for. If you didn't, an account will be created for you on EasyCSV using your Commerce 7 email address, and you'll get an email that will ask you to reset your password. So I'm going to click Continue, click Install. Cool, and now it's installed. So what that did was it established the connection between EasyCSV and Commerce 7. What it does is it will then send you an email for you to set up your password, check your spam or junk if you didn't get it, and then you'll set your password for EasyCSV and log into EasyCSV. You'll see that a flow is automatically created for you. And this flow starts at the top with how we get data from Commerce 7. We're going to get orders, and it's going to check every 10 to 20 minutes for new orders. And every time a new order is made, it then sends it through the rest of the flow. The rest of the flow is in the middle is the kind of configuration area where you see the columns or attributes we get for each order. We'll get the order name, SKU, shipping name. All of these things can be sent or used to send to the destination of where you want to send this data. Maybe you want to send a CSV file via email to somebody. Maybe you want to put a file on FTP. Maybe you want to put a file on Google Drive. Maybe you want to send each order to Zapier. Whatever you think, you can do that. You can filter out data. So maybe it's going to trigger off every order here. So maybe you only want, orders, that were for club, only continue if the orders are for club. And then it'll stop there for orders that are not club and continue on for the rest. But you could filter for anything. You could filter for, a certain restaurant that you're shipping to, or like you could just make one flow for one restaurant, another flow for another restaurant, different things like that. Maybe the vendor of the order is, Blue Winery, that this flow is only for that winery or something like that. So then, you can massage some of this data if you need to. You could change, you could use the virtual fields to change the names of these columns or whatever you like. And then you'll send it to a destination. In this case, for emailing a new CSV file, you can change that to go to Google Sheets. You could send it to FTP, Amazon S3, Google Dropbox, Drive, OneDrive, wherever you want to send it. In this case, we're just going to email. You can say who you want to email to. You can customize the subject line or whatever, and you'll see a preview of the file. If you want to turn off some columns, you can just go up here and you might say, oh, I don't need the product title. I'll turn that off, and then it won't be a column in the final file. Let's say we want to rename order name. Maybe we want it to be, just name of order. That's what we need the column name to be, and we'll say we need the order name value. So now it's a virtual field, which means it'll be a new column in the final CSV file. It's at the end. We can drag it around if we want it in a different order. Okay, but order name's still in there, so let's go turn that one off. Perfect. So now we essentially renamed order name. So, if you're ready, then you can just click settings here. You'll get a log of orders that are fetched, including the numbers that are fetched, so you can always look back and see which ones are fetched. And you can always turn it on or off if needed. So right now it's on. You can turn it off if you don't want it to run. And you can do a force fetch if you want to check for new orders. It'll check it for new orders in the last 10 to 20 minutes. And that's it. Once you've turned it on, it's automated, and you can send orders wherever you need to. Make sure you only send the right orders to the right place by using filters, If you need any help, click to chat with us or send us an email, our support team an email. If we don't answer right away, we always do. And have fun.